Alright, so we're at Willow Beach right now. They just stocked it. There's all kinds of people here fishing from. They're not very big this time, but we're still gonna see if we can get them. Just got a nice little spinner on I just picked up on the way out here. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot, see if we can't pick up a couple trout.
Juju's coming in right after it. He's gonna get it. Let your bobber go down. There he is. He's on it. Hold on.
Oh yeah, I see. He got it, I think. Did he? Yeah. Hold that. Oh.
Go. Adrian just hooked up. He's a nice one too. Juju, hook up.
Put it over. Oh, he hooked up too.
Triple hook up. Triple hook up. All the action happening at once. You got him, Ju? Oh! You let that slack go when you jumped.
Dang, that sucks. The big school came through and we had a triple hookup.
It's a fat one.
I seriously got probably like 10 bites before I could finally hook up. A big old school just swam by out of nowhere and I got them. That's awesome. Feels good.
Just caught 2 more. A big school passed. I caught 1. Adrian caught. That's 4. We're halfway towards the meal now.
Yeah, the schools keep swimming back and forth along this beach. And then you kind of just chase them, cast your lures at them and catch them. It's a little tricky, but they'll bite every once in a while.
All right, guys, we're doing it. Juju's up here. He's up high, keeping an eye out for the schools of trout that are swimming by. And then we just cast in front of them and hopefully they bite.
Yeah, so I got 2, or you caught 2 now, right?
Yeah.
They're just swimming. There's like a couple big schools swimming back and forth along these beaches. We're just sitting high, watching out for them. When they pass by, everybody kind of yells about them and everybody comes and chases them down the beach and casts at them. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, everybody's like, oh, they're right here. And everybody goes chasing them and pulling fish out of the school. So they're biting when you see them. It's just that every once in a while, it takes about 10 minutes maybe, and a school will pass by and we can catch one. So it's pretty cool.
Oh, he swallowed it.
School just passed by. A couple people catching out of it.
Swallowed it.
A nice one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fry him up right now.
Do you have a pair of gloves? Yeah. You good? Here.
School left. Well, that's pretty cool. They all go.
Here comes another group.
That's hilarious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Did you catch any?
I had them.
2.
2? Nice.
Film that. Uh-oh.
Let's put the group up now.
You got my line. Right when they were gonna get to my house.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep. This thing is World War III.
Dad, I see the fish.
You have a good time out here?
Heck yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? All the people. Alright, so we're having a great time out here. First of all, I want to tell you guys, if you're not into hunting and fishing, one of the biggest things to note is just the community. Just amazing people overall with everything. Every time we come out here, people are just nice, you know. Yeah, you're fishing close to people, but everybody's nice, you know. Everybody's respectful, they keep their distance. Nobody really argues about anything, so that's cool. I don't know anywhere else where you can get a whole bunch of people that close and compact trying to do the same thing without anybody fighting over something or arguing. So that's awesome. And then plus, very, very generous people out here. Both times I've been out here to try to catch a trout, people are cooking food. They're just inviting everybody to come eat the trout they're catching, and also bringing, you know, their own home recipes for all kinds of food. So it's awesome. It's just like a big social event. So that's one humongous reasons why the hunting and fishing communities are amazing. These schools of fish keep swimming by and people are catching them, having a great time. Look at. So as you see, they're starting to swim away, so everybody's chasing them. See if anybody can hook up.
Fishing was about to be a workout.
Yeah. Getting your cardio in, chasing fish.
What? Oh, another one. Another group came.
Another group? Oh yeah, they're coming in close.
They're interested right in whatever you got.
Another group.
Right here.
See if anybody hooks up on them. They must not be hungry anymore.
Come on, Mel. Get it.
Dang, that's a big group right there, bro.
They must not be hungry anymore. They're not biting, huh?
Looks like they're going to a Raiders game.
Right out of the Raider Stadium.
Sorry.
Whoa, come on, Tony. Careful, Tony.
Almost fell. Who got one? Oh, fish on. You got one.
That wasn't good on my knee.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
Yep.
They're dead. Look at that.
They're literally running and everybody's chasing them.
Ain't gonna play right now. They're not biting.
It's starting to get hot out here, so I don't think they're biting as much as they were earlier, but it's still cool. Like I was saying, this school finally came back. It was gone for a little while, and they're jamming back and forth, and people are chasing them and casting at them, so that's cool. Great eating fish, though. They're stocking some good eaters here at Willow lately. Got something stuck to my boot. What I stepped in? Stepped in some gum, dang it. Oh, man. Stepped right in some gum. Oh, it fell off finally. Okay, perfect.
All right, guys. This is the aftermath. Of all those fish. That's pretty cool. We need to do that one of these days.
Hey, where's my sister? Okay. I haven't seen my sister.
These are the trout that were swimming around about 15 minutes ago. Straight onto the grill. If you guys don't know this recipe, we have other videos where it shows trout catch and cooks where Adrian explains it step by step. Throw the trout in some foil, a little bit of garlic salt, whatever you want to add, a couple vegetables, onions, and it's good to go.
So we're about to show you, our friend Tony makes homemade lures, and we're going to show you some of his lures really quick that he actually makes.
Yeah, these are some of the swim baits. This is 1.75 inches by about 12 inches long. Weighs about 8.3 ounces. These are all for trolling. Here's 1.5 inches, about the same length, and it weighs about 6 ounces. And I make these. They're all custom made, custom paint, 100% resin. All the screw eyes are stainless, and they all turn different colors into a purple.
Oh yeah.
So they're real nice.
As they turn, they kind of change color.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's color changing paint. If you want one, just message me on Facebook.
What's your Facebook so they know?
Tony Garcia Sr.
Tony Garcia Sr. Okay. So,
Thank you,
and
guys.
you make spooks and stuff too,
I
right?
make
Just
spooks.
all kinds of
Besides
stuff.
these, I make spooks. Whatever you want, any color of spooks you want. Any
Awesome.
color.
Awesome.
Bone color, anything.
Good quality stuff too. Look
Yeah,
great.
Okay, thank
Cool.
you so
Yep.
much.
Yeah, he gave us some of his
Hey,
lures.
I'm gonna catch a big striper with this, and I'm gonna show you guys that it actually works. I'm gonna reel in a big one with this one.
Show yours.
Really nice.
That's awesome. All right, so we had a great day today. We ended up with 5 total. Awesome day overall. They were swimming in schools back and forth, and yeah, it was real compact fishing, but everybody's super nice. I mean, Nobody was arguing with each other. I honestly don't know where you can get this many people together and that close quarters with one goal line, not have arguments and people fighting over things. So really cool people, nice overall, amazing time. These fish are gonna be great. I thought we were gonna have to cook them, but they already cooked them for us. Now, a lot of you guys have been wanting a way to follow Juju. Juju hasn't had social media for you guys to follow, and a lot of people have been commenting that they want to follow him, so he's got an announcement to make.
I had a great time today, and I just want you guys to know to go follow my TikTok, crazy_Jew, and I'll see you outdoors.
Yep, so other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you outdoors.